Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek AI for content creation, coding, and research step by step. So let's get started. First, what is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is a powerful AI assistant developed by DeepSeek. It's completely free, supports very large context windows, and can be used on both the web and mobile apps. Let's start with content creation. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media captions, or video scripts, DeepSeek can help you get high quality results quickly. Instead of saying write a blog, try something like write a 500-word beginner's guide to gardening, focus on urban balconies in a friendly tone. Use the deep thinking or search options to refine your results. These features help generate more accurate and detailed responses. Ask for extra value, such as outlines, keyword ideas, or even SEO tips. For example, if you're brainstorming YouTube titles, you can say, give me 10 catchy titles for a coding tutorial video. Next, let's talk about coding. DeepSeek supports dozens of programming languages and can explain concepts, debug errors, and even write complete code snippets. For beginners, ask it to explain coding concepts in simple terms. For developers, use it like a pair programmer. Paste your error message and ask for a fix. Here are a few examples. Prompts. Explain recursion with a Python example. Debug this React component for me. Write a JavaScript function to fetch data from an API. DeepSeek can also help optimize your code and convert it from one programming language to another. DeepSeek is also a powerful research tool. You can use it to summarize articles or research papers, compare theories or technologies such as blockchain versus traditional databases, answer complex questions with step-by-step reasoning, create outlines for essays or research proposals. Example prompts include summarize the key arguments of this climate change paper in bullet points. What are the pros and cons of renewable energy sources? Present the answer in a table. Before you go, here are my top tips for using DeepSeek effectively. 1. Be detailed in your prompts to get better results. 2. Use follow-up questions to explore topics more deeply. 3. Always verify important information. AI can sometimes generate incorrect facts. 4. Experiment with different prompt styles to see what works best. And that's how you can unlock the full power of DeepSeek AI for content creation, coding, and research. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.